So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you about how you can add colors in your background or in the text in Bootstrap. So for that I have come to this Bootstrap official documentation, and in the customize and in the color I'm learning about the colors. So you can see that these 8 colors are actually defined as classes. So the blue color and the background a little bit gray, and the green, red, and similarly it goes to the other colors. So it will give you these colors if you add these classes, which is primary, secondary, success, info. So for example, if you want to add a background color, so you will be using bg dash and then the class name. For example, if you add a warning color in the background, you will add bg dash warning. So the warning should be in smaller case, just like specified here. So this is how we can add colors in the background. Similarly, we can add colors in the text, like text and then the contextual class, which is secondary, warning, info, something like that. So that will give the text color to that particular color only. So they also have created the other colors palette, but they haven't included that as a class. We can use them if we add a theme palette, so that we'll be understanding in the future videos. So in this video we'll be working only with these 8 classes or with these 8 colors. So let's add them here. So let me just remove the previous work, and I can add a div class or the div tag here, and inside that I can add a class. Let's say I can add a background primary class, which will give the background color blue, and then I can specify the margin. You got this from the previous video. It will add the margin all around the borders or all around the box, and we can also give some padding inside the text or inside the box basically. So I can add learning color here. So if I do that, so the background color will be there and the text will also be there. I can increase the size of the text, like adding h3 class here, or you can add h2 as well. But I don't want the black color. Let's change the text color of learning color to white. So it will add the background color of the text to be white. So that text color is now white. You can also similarly add text success. It will add the success or color which is green, which isn't visible properly. Similarly, we can add text dark, which is a black color. We have text danger, which is a little bit red. You know that. Similarly, we have warning, we have info, and the other ones. But the white one is the most suitable one for this background. But you know that for the different background, the different text color will be suited. Also, we can add some opacity here by adding this 50 here. So it will add the 50% opacity of that color or that text color. You can see that it is a little bit uh, less visible because we have added a transparency of 50%. So this is actually, we can add transparency in this. So we can add a 70% transparency. Let's say the class is not there. Also, it is not there. Let me just add 25. Now, so the class is actually not created. So we'll be going with 50% only. So it is half visible, you can say. Similarly, we have according to the background, we have to remember which text color should be there. For example, the text white is suitable for the dark background, but it will not be suitable for the lighter background, right? So if I add a lighter background, let's say a yellow background, so the white color is not that good. So what is the solution? The solution is simply we can add a dark here, text dark, which will make the text color into the black color. but we have to decide according to the background, right? So for that we have a solution. We can remove this background color, and instead of that we can add the background here. So before adding background warning, I'm adding this extra class which is text dash. Then I can specify which background I want. I want a warning background or a yellow background. So I'll be adding text and then the background name. For example, if it is primary, so you'll add bg dash primary. If it is warning, then you'll add this one. So it will automatically give the background color and the text color according to the background. So if it is a darker background, so it will give the text color to be lighter, because in the darker background the light is more contrasting. And if it is the lighter background, then it will add the text color to be darker, because darker is more contrasting whenever the background color is lighter. Similarly, if I add a primary here, so it will add a primary background color and the text color is white. So it is automatically changing the text color and the background color. We don't have to write two classes for that. So this is actually what we do in this video. We added some color classes for text and the background. I hope you got something. Uh, in the next video, we'll be understanding more about the Bootstrap features. Let's understand in the next video. Thank you for watching.